In the Supreme Court, a big statement being made by the Chief Justice saying there's no material to show widespread paper leak. The Chief Justice of India saying we don't have any material so far to show that the leak was so widespread and spread across the country. Senior News Editor Bhawtosh Singh joining us with the details. Bhawtosh, this is a big statement by the Chief Justice saying that there is no material as of now to show widespread paper leaks. Take us through what happened in the top court.
Pratibha, our legal editor Harish is inside the courtroom and we are bringing minute-by-minute updates from the Supreme Court. It's the Chief Justice's bench which is hearing this matter, and today is the fourth time when he is listening to this matter. There are a bunch of petitions that have been filed during the summer vacation. Now, what has happened in the case is that one of the petitioners' counsel, Mr. Huda, had said that the accused in this case had access to the question papers much before the solvers took the exam, and that the leak actually happened before 5th of May. The Solicitor General in fact said that the leakage is confined to one center. It's not that a widespread leakage has happened. Chief Justice again repeated that yes, the leakage has happened, but it's not widespread leakage. Now, the Central Bureau of Investigation, which has been probing this case, at least they have filed 6 separate cases. They have arrested 34 individuals as far as this case is concerned, has also submitted an affidavit. It's in sealed cover, but sources have said that while probing the Bihar case, which is the core case, they have found that the leakage is confined to one particular center, that is OSS school, which is in Hazaribagh, and they have found out that the leakage did not impacted the exam, and that even those who had access to the question paper did not get good marks. In fact, in past few days, Pratibha, 7 accused were arrested by the CBI. This included medical students from All India Institute of Medical Sciences, Patna, as well as one medical student from Ranchi Institute of Medical Sciences, and also other medical college students. They all, in fact, were present on 5th of May. Now, when they were questioned, they all said that they were, in fact, were contacted by one of the accused in this case, and they were contacted between 3rd of May and 4th of May. Now, Chief Justice of India is asking Solicitor General as to when this question paper was leaked, and Solicitor General is maintaining that the question paper was leaked just few days before the exam, and it's not that the leakage happened, was actually a widespread leakage.
Okay, all right, Bhawtosh, thank you for joining us with those details. This is, of course, going to have political ramifications as well. We're keeping an eye out for that. For now, a very quick break. We'll be right back. To stay with us.